LoveConsultant present. 7 words that make women horny in bed, men need to know. Beautiful words will make the sex experience hotter. Men need to know that the following set of words can make a woman horny and melting in bed. Making love involves all the senses. You will spoil your partner with various stimulations so that their senses are able to enjoy sex thoroughly. Not just a matter of touch, sex also involves sound. Whisper the right words so that the atmosphere gets hotter and provides unforgettable memories. Here are the words women want to hear in bed. Number 1. Smells good. A little compliment will take you to unexpected places. Complimenting her on how good she smells will make her feel special. Tell her what specific things you like about her. This right will make her happy. Number 2. You are so sexy. Appearing naked often makes women feel inappropriate in bed. To make her more relaxed and comfortable, compliment her by saying that she looks sexy. Number 3. You look amazing in lingerie. There is always more effort to make the sex experience hotter. Lingerie is one of a woman's weapons to look more attractive in the eyes of men. Giving compliments on the clothes worn will make him feel appreciated for his efforts. Lingerie makes the wearer feel more sexy. Compliments from you will make his confidence skyrocketed. Number 4. Your skin is so smooth. Give specific compliments. Touch her hands, back, or face, then compliment how soft and smooth her skin is. Compliments like this will make her happy and willing to work extra to satisfy you. Number 5. You turn me on so fast. Don't get me wrong, the key to a woman's confidence isn't just about how amazing she looks naked. You also need to compliment her on her performance. You can tell her that what she's doing is turning you on or that you're enjoying every moment together. Number 6. I love the way you kiss me. Who doesn't want to hear that their kisses are intoxicating? Women love it when their partners enjoy and tell them how delicious their kisses are. Number 7. I love your lips. Kissing plays an important role in lovemaking. Kisses are often used as a prelude before the body finally sinks into bed. Touch her lips before kissing her. Don't forget to tell her that you love her lips. These gentle touches will make her want a kiss.